Hello, for this video I'd like to explain to you how to go through our personal financial literacy class using the module maps to help guide you with the instruction. Since this is an online class or a blended class, it's not like a traditional classroom where you have a teacher giving you an assignment or give you instructions that are step by step. You complete the assignment, turn it in, then the teacher kind of looks at it, grades it, and gives it back to you and says, okay, now do this, and gives you the next step. So what I'm going to do is kind of show you in this online format how we want you to use this module map here to guide yourself to complete the lesson. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the Module 2 map, and all I'm going to do is read the very first step. In this case it says Step 1, open the Guiding Questions and Learning Target PDF version, or the Guiding Questions and Learning Targets read by President Lincoln version, and review the Guiding Questions and Learning Targets. Now, for some of our students who struggle with reading, one of the things that we've came up with is audio files to help read them the instructions. So if you struggle with reading, and this is kind of beyond your grade level of reading, if you click here,
Step 1. Open the Guiding Questions and Learning Targets PDF version or Guiding Questions and Learning Targets read by President Lincoln version, and review the Guiding Questions and Learning Targets for Module number 2.
Alright, so you can see here we have all of our instructions read to you. Now, the thing is, we give you choice, so you can either open the PDF version, or if you click on the Guiding Questions, it'll take you to this little video that a former teacher, Mr. Green, created for us.
Hi everyone, this is President Lincoln coming to you from the past to share with you the Guiding Questions and Learning Targets for Module number 2. Guiding Question 1. Why is what you earn from your job, your gross income, and what you have available to spend. Net income, each payday are two different values. The learning targets are gross income, net income, and deductions. The second guiding question is, what are the different types of deductions taken from?
Alright, so you can see there, if you do struggle with the reading, that we've created some of these videos to kind of help you out. But then when we go back to the class, if some people would rather just read it, we'd look for this Learning Targets PDF version. There we go. Module 2, Learning Targets and Guiding Questions. And so we'd open this PDF up and we'd go ahead and read what it has to say. Okay? So now that we've completed the first step, we're going to go back to that module map. You can just keep it open on your desktop. And we're going to go down here to Step 2, watch the short video, pay stub explanation for PFL. Again, if you want the directions read to you, you can click here. And they'd read the directions.
Step 2. Watch the short video, pay stub explanation for PFL, several times if it helps.
Alright. And here's our video.
Hello and welcome, students. I'm Mr. LaValle, and today I'm going to take you through or guide you through a Prezi to show you the difference between gross and net and kind of look at what an income check looks like or a pay stub looks like. So let's go.
Alright, and then you just watch that video, and then we'd go back to the module map, and we've completed Step 1, Step 2, now we're at Step 3, watch the video, gross versus net income, Edu Creations screencast. So we'd click here. Again, if you struggle with this reading, we have student James Card, who is nice enough to read it for us and record it and add these audio files. We'd click here, and we'd go ahead and listen to the steps, click here, watch the video, and then we'd go back to the module map, and we'd just kind of go step by step by step through it until we get to the summative assessment. So I hope this video helps you. It makes it a little bit easier for completing the Personal Financial Literacy online class.